one. Hello. Hala, tumahimik sila lahat. They actually did it. Thank you, Lana, for the heart me. Hi, Ko. Sorry na late ako sa live mo. It's okay. Huwag na lang oil kaya, iba na lang. Kaya tiisin. Ang hirap, o, diba?
I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out a window, it's amazing. No, I should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like us, you know. When you call my name, oh why? I'm ready for this white Christmas. Take your favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know the love. It's like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white world, so adorable. You know that I want is just one little thing. I know it's hard to see each other, but I'm hoping that you come and knock on my door. There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in. My favorite season of the year. For the spring
Eh. Guys, which biomolecule is most essential to life? Sige nga, can you help me with this one? Wait lang. Magwa 1 hour na. Nag 1 hour na tayo. 1 hour and 10 minutes. Sugay! Di ko ramdam. Yes. Which biomolecule is most essential to life? Dali, para matapos na ako. Hello. Oh, man. No, you cannot go to CR. No. Sit down. Traxus, answer the question before you go to the CR. Hydrogen. Ito kahit wala kami pinag-aralan sa in college. Biomolecule. Okay, you may go. You may go. Hydrogen, first element. Oh yeah, that's true. But we're talking about biomolecules. So that's like proteins, I believe. Lipids. Carbs. Ano pa ba? Nucleic acids. tissue.
I've been waiting for this time.
Mm.
Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out our window, it's amazing. No one should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like us, you know. When you call my name, oh why? I'm ready for
Naiya ako. Hindi nyo pwede makita. I'm shy. Bye-bye. I think proteins. Kasi that's what we need for muscles. And we can't live without muscles. Kaya namin tatawanan sa ganun. Yes, pero naiya ako. Each by molecules as whatever footage. As Rinig niyo ba yung ASMR ng keyboard ko? No.
I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year. Make my wish come true, the magic in the air. Oh, the snow outside, it's falling tonight. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know who belong. It's like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white pearl, so adorable. Underneath the mistletoe, I'll be waiting for you. Under the sky is so clear, so adorable. I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out our window, it's amazing. No one should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like us, you know. When you call my name, oh why? I'm ready for Christmas. Take your favorite bite from us. Let's fall into the dream. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter,
May out account ka na, yes.
heavenly heart. Let us know who belong. It's like sugar.
Pa-copy ng sagot ko, liya po basta.
What a beautiful white pearl, so adorable. You know that I want is just one little thing. I know it's hard to see each other, but I'm hoping that you come and knock on my door. There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in. My favorite season of the year. Fall, just bring me my memories. Take your favorite bite from us. Let's fall into the dream.
Pass it and double it to the next. Sabi ko, nakalagay dito, bakit daw? How does this activity help you understand food and nutrition? Because this activity helps me see which biomolecules my food contains and what those do to my body. It helps me understand which food gives me the most nutrients and how it contributes to my health, energy levels, and growth, as well as to make better choices in choosing what I consume. Okay! Next, yun na yun. Napaka-easy naman siya. Joke lang. Kasi, shy type ako, guys. Shy type.
I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect grace.
Pa-shout out sa bike shop, pero yung pangalan niya Music.
Look out a window, it's amazing. No one should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like us, you know. When you come,
Thank you, Stormwolf.
I'm ready.
Interesting.
It's white Christmas. Take your favorite fight.
Very interesting.
Let's fall into the dream.
Anyway,
Love you a lot. Love later. I can feel your heavenly heart.
iba.
Let us know how they look. It's like sugar sweet and love. What
Fake news yan siya, fake news. Can I make Bawi it? Okay, I can. Okay, how do I rename this? May ano pala siya, may instruction siya kung paano ko dapat mag-submit ng work. Sabi niya, ano daw? Surname underscore lab title. Okay, I should take note of that. May ganun pala. Scary, ha? Biology. Okay, Miss Mayam. I'll follow your instructions. Just edit it real quick. Pwede pala yun. Ah. Update. Na-Sheila pa nga. Hoy! Na-Sheila pa nga. Oo nga, no? That's funny, guys. That's kind of funny. We have an inner joke now. Pagpasaway. You are Sheila. Uy, huwag kayong Uy, yung pangit naman. Pangalan niyo ng tita ko. Huwag gan- Mamaya. Sabihin ni tita, pinag-uusapan natin siya dito. Huwag kang Sheila. But nobody's gonna understand. What if may Sheila dito na lalabs for real? Ay, ang swerte niya. Hoy! O nga, no, hindi na lang ginawang Coley. Talaga, may award sila sa P-pop. Anong award? Talaga? Anong award? Wait, I wanna know. I wanna congratulate them. Wait. Shishi. Shy. Guys, stream love letter. Spotlight something. Congrats for the spotlight something, MNL48. Pwede na maglaro. Second week pa lang naman eh. Wait lang, let me check. What is biology? Dashboard. May week 2 na, God. Napasok. Oh no! Sorry. Shayla na lang. Oh, Shayla na lang. Deserve ang spotlight. Oh, P-pop Spotlight Award. That's so cute! That's so cute. Hello, Vincent. Ano shall we play? I'm done! I deserve to play. Wait, let me check the other subjects. Mamaya. Alam nyo ba, hindi ko pa nabubuksan yung intro to Psych. I'm so scared. Hala, okay. Hala, may reflection paper number 2. Hala, wait lang. Hindi pa ako ready. I'm not ready. Not ready to open it. Okay. See you next time na lang, see? It's like, meron ka bang deadline? Wait. Ay, tapos ko na. Tapos ko na yan. Okay. Okay, so week 2 na talaga. Meron bang deadline ikaw? Wala. Hi! Magla-live ba tomorrow? Yes! Kaya natin mag-live tomorrow. Oh no. Be careful. Tara, maglaro tayo. Gusto ko na maglaro. Tagal-tagal ko nang di naglalaro, guys. Laro tayo ng Pamela. Selamat datang. Basta done na. Yes, done na yung week. What? Next time na yung iba. Yes, we're done studying. Stressful yung drawing talaga. Hirapan ako sa drawing. Yeah, let's go play. Let me set it up real quick. Hold on. Oh no.
I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year. Make my wish come true, the magic is
Reward yung maglaro tapos doon pa siya malalo mas-stress. Oo nga eh. Dati talaga sa drawing kagabi. Grabe kayo sa akin, ha? I can draw. Saan yung phone ko? Let's play some... What should we play? COD? or some I don't know. I don't know what I wanna play. Tama lang na ma-stress para mag-sticker live. Hanggang 11 lang tayo ah. Ano na ba? Eh, magta-10 pa lang?
I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready.
Pero malalobat na yung phone ko.
It's perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out the window,
Lagi
it's
lang gusto
amazing.
matapos live. Nag-ano daw?
On my side, nothing like us, you know.
10 na pala. I mean, 10 pa lang. Feeling ko ano pa lang, like, feeling ko 12 na. Mas ba ako nagising kanina? Sawadee ka! Okay. Oo nga, ang bilis ng oras. Oras ba ako nag-start? 8? Eh? Kurang na. Thank you, Chabu. Thank you. Love you all, guys.
You know that I want is just one little thing. I know it's hard to see each other, but
Share cast real
hoping that
quick.
you come and knock on my door. There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in.
Pamela.
Just bring me memories. This white Christmas, take your favorite pajama. Let's fall into love and dream.
Kagayahin namin for Thank you, Vincent. Wait. Terima kasih, Vincent, for the love you so much. Aku cinta kamu. Aku cinta kamu. Ano naman to? Map, map. Hello. Oriente. 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 Oy, walang ganyan. Grabe kayo, guys. Thank you. Eka or Ebu. Ang cute nyo. I like that. Keep it up, keep it up.
I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect Christmas.
Ay,
Wanna let go. Look out the window, it's amazing. No way should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like us, you know. When you call my name, oh why?
gaget si Eka or Ebu. Hirap talaga pa. Uy, grabe naman.
Favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream. Love letter, babe, you know how
Ano yung sasabihin ko? Yung Eka, kasi di ba lalaki? L-A-L-A-K-E. So, pag binaliktad mo, E-K-A, L-A-L. So, shinortcut niya na nga yung shortcut na lalaki. Pinaliktad. Tapos, di ko alam kung ba't Ebo yung babae daw. I have no idea. It's just a trend. I feel like existing stereotype maybe. Eka lol, yes. Eya Bab yan, Eya Bab. Eya yan, Eya. Ebu, I think, is like... Ebu is like babe, maybe. Like... I don't want to see it.
Christmas tree, I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this
Let's play. I wanna play something. I'm excited to play it. Let me download it real quick. Ito, kaya ko to laruin kahit gaano pa katagal. Yan, tsaka ito. Ano, na-miss ko laruin to. Ayoko yan. Okay, let's play. Wala pa yung mga kalaro ko eh. Ay! Ayan, dyan na daw pala. Okay. Let's play some COD. Tapos pag nabore ako mag-COD. Ba't ayaw? Ba't tumanti ko sa Guys, stream love letter ha. 15k pa rin yata yung love letter, guys. Gawin natin 50k this week. G. Pamelawan. Ikalawang katawan. Di ako marunong mag-COD ha. I'm not a pro player. I'm just trying to enjoy. Jajang.
You know that I want is just one little thing. I know it's hard to see each other, but I'm hoping that you come and knock on my door. There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in. My favorite season of the year. For the spring, bring me memories. I'm ready for this white Christmas. Take your favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream. I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year. Make my wish come true, the magic in the air. Oh, that's love outside. It's falling tonight.
You can't hear the cast.
Babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart.
That's why. Okay, got it. Okay, let's go. I'm more of a BR player than... Alam nyo, naiwan ko sa training yung earphones ko na Barbie. So sad. Let's go. Yes, COD Mobile. COD M. I'm not sure kung kailan ko makukuha, pero natago naman ng members yata. Hey. Namaga ako later, guys. Pwede play na. Tagal. Ilang gigabytes yung COD M? Ay, wait. Sorry. But I can't hear it. I can't hear it. Wait, let me fix it. Credits. Bilan mo na lang kami bagong eardrums. Ay, kuya. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Morphing ka? I don't know. I just play. No, to lang. I think. Depende. Abangan nyo ang aming performance sa I Want ASAP tomorrow, okay? Aga ko minising para dun. Kensya na. Tag nyo ako, manood kayo, tapos videohan nyo, tapos tag nyo ako sa IG, okay? Para alam ko nanood kayo. Bang earphones. Earphones. Dami! Papabuhat lang ako dito sa mga to, guys. Don't expect much from me, okay? Ouch. Ang haba ng kuko, ang haba. Ang hirap ang dag. Ay, nako. Nagpahinga muna ako sa ML, guys, kasi it's very stressful to play Mobile Legends. Ano ba nila? Kami ba? I'm lagging. Oh. Hello. What?
Cover. Get the dog tag. Cover. Reload. Get some rest. Changing mag.
Wait. No. Should I go down? What?
The safe zone is collapsing. Cover.
Nakuha na yung dog tag. Paus yun. Is this?
Dog tags have been scanned successfully. Your teammate will return to the battle when the next revive flight arrives.
May isa pa. What? Oh no.
The airdrop is coming.
Ay. Anong Emma? Ate, take your time. Take your time. Excuse me. Lagi ako inuubo sa gabi. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. It's so lovely long. Iniwan na naman ako nitong mga to. Tapos lang ako, guys. Ay, sige, maglulut ata. Tama ako. Drink na ako ngayon, di ba? Night pollens. Yeah, probably. Maybe. Eh, saan yung fire sale? Meron akong motor. Let's go to fire sale, yes? Ano nga?
The airdrop is coming.
Wala, hindi ko mabuksan yung thermos ko, guys. I need strength. Thank you, not today, for the heart meat. Hindi ko siya Ouch! What? Hindi ko siya mabuksan. Ilang araw ka nang binubuksan, ayaw niya magpabukas. Kainis. Ano na? Ay, May kalaban? Oh no. Where?
Get some rest, soldier.
But the fire sale.
Skill chip ready for upgrade.
Ouch. Trying to cast you anywhere.
Airdrop is coming.
Tisiyan ng thermos pag na-dehydrate si Coley. Oh yes. Wag mo may virus yung... You guys are funny.
Airdrop delivered.
Uy! No. Ang dami!
The airdrop is coming.
What should I do first? Wait. Okay. I don't have anything. Where? Oh no. You're there.
Enemy is near. Never mind.
Oh, it's there.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Hirap naman. Alam mo, sa likod puti. Wala, wait. Kawai. Kawai.
Big node is collapsing.
Ang dami! Ang dami! Ang dami! Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Ang dami nila. I panic. I'm sorry. I panicked. Nauna yung bibig ko kaysa yung kamay. Sorry. My bad. Go guys! Kaya nyo yan. Naniwala ko sa inyo. Nauna yung sigaw kaysa yung galaw. Ano ba yan? Arigato! Mga friends ko. The other one is my senior high friend and then friend ng friend. Friend ng friend ko yung isa. Friend of a friend. Bugs. Yes. Matagal ko na sila nakakalaro sa ano pa lang. Siyempre, nung school days and nung nasa Thailand ako. Friend of... No. Diba? May friend ako. Friend niya. Hindi siya friend ng friend ng friend. Friend lang ng friend ko. Dalawang friend lang. Friend of the friend. Yeah, friend ng friend. Yes. Friend ng friend ko na naging friend ko din. O, diba? Oo na lang. Hello, sawadi ka. Friend mo na friend niya. Yes. Friend ko na friend. Ah, friend niya. Siya na naging friend. Sila muna yun. Naging mag-friends. Tapos naging friend ko yung isa. Tapos naging friend ko rin yung isang friend. Is the game fun? Yes, it's fun. You should try. Oh, I'm not sure if it's available in Thailand. Ah, no. Yeah, it's available in Thailand. Eh? So. Ay? Call of Duty. Pwede ako doon? Akala mo talaga narinig nila yun. Ayun, doon pa rin. Hala!
Teammate has been killed.
Mali.
Return to the battle.
I will run away. They all left me. What am I gonna do, guys? I will run away. Ang dami, guys! Dami tao dun. Oh my god. Okay, I will just go around then this circle. Try. You don't see me. You don't see me. Saan ako punta? Wala akong loot. Okay, let's just run away from them. Mali yung baril ko. Wala, may nagsusnowboard. Wala, may bumabaril sa akin!
Drop incoming.
8 though. Look it. Hirap naman. Isa pa. Kulang kasi kami. May isa pa. May isa pa eh. May isa pa dapat. Kaso busy. Who's that? Oh, okay. Pag di single digit, dapat may punishment. Grabe naman. Inside, falling in love. Let's score. Let's score, little boy. Little boy. Grabe naman. Good night. Huwag naman, nag-enjoy lang tayo dito, guys. Huwag naman ganon, guys. Dami-dami ko na utang sa inyo eh. Ubusin ko muna yung mga utang sa inyo and then pwede na. Wala na ako water. Diba? Ang bilis ng oras. Mag-11 na. Matutulog na ako. Ang bagay na, ang bilis ko loka. Oo nga eh. I don't get it either. I'm sorry. Look, this is my baby. Tita. It's frozen.
Welcome to Battle Royale.
Your mind, girl.
The match is about to start.
I can't make up my mind.
Ready, ready.
Bias ko nung una, my bias was Jenny. No, I'm playing with friends. And then my bias was Jenny, and then eventually nung nag-release na ng solo song si Rose, I realized I liked her. Pink phone, yes. Thank you, Agent, for the heart me. Ano ba yan? Yan na naman sila. Sa bungad na naman sila bumaba. Ay, nako. Pag ako na naman natira dito, guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo talaga.
First blood.
What? Already? Kaya pa? Excuse me. Milot dito, in fairness. Is that supposed to be me? Oh no.
Your teammate has
Oh
been
no,
killed.
bestie.
Get the dog tags and help them return to
What
the
happened,
battle.
bestie? Where? Ang galing na na.
Battle.
Hiding siya, hiding. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like a butterfly. We're great. Thank you. Man, highway came so far now. Ang galing. Ang likot. Oh, I believe we're going up. Oh no. But it's our moment. You're the girl we're growing. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, and down. Voices, there's a moment. Gonna be golden.
Scan successful.
Oh, I'm done hiding. Ang dami, best friend.
Safe zone is collapsed.
I'll be shining like a butterfly. Oh, I would tell no peace, no silence. Are you dead? I can't help you, girly. Sabi ko pa naman, ang dami yun. Ano to? What is this? I picked up the wrong gun. No! No!
Return to the battle.
Why do I have a sniper? Ano?
Get the dog tags.
Katabi pa naman.
Don't give up.
Guys.
Battle. Airdrop incoming.
Bago ng video ng Overture talaga? Yes, rat-rat ako. Rat-rat user ako. I'm not a one shotgun or sniper type girl. No. Hirap.
Your teammate kill.
17 though. Lucky number. Yes, I usually use machine gun, but I picked up the wrong gun. Sorry, guys. Sorry. My bad. Tataas naman kasi ng mga level nyo, no? Legendary. Ay, kuya. Yes, machine gun is my favorite. Mga long-range machine gun. Nande. Ano? Ang tawag doon? No, not M4. Holger. Scary. I've been waiting for this time all year, Feel like all the world is so ready to love. Perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out the window, it's amazing. Cute noise you say, I know you're on the side. Loadout reveal. I don't fix this. Game na ba? Yes. I'm not rich. Thank you, Aiden, for the heart. It's okay. Guys, I think this is gonna be my last game, maybe. Ay, hindi pa. Ano sa nag-start? What time mo nag-start? 8 what? 8:34? Eh? 8:20? 8:34? 8:34. So, we already have dapat 11:30. So, kaya guys, naantok na ako. Coincidence.
Reloading. Cover me.
Hindi naman masyado. So, 8:20, tapos nag-set up pa. Kaya,
Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start. Get out of
tapos
this.
binan pa ako ni TikTok.
Time for the mission. Get ready.
Lala. Binan ako ni TikTok. Tatlo na naman kami. Let's go, guys. Where's Blue? My God, don't know it's it. Nakalimutan ko na yung no mic version. Thank you, Johan, for the love you so much and for the roses. Thank you po. Can I close my eyes? I'm ready to love. Perfect Christmas. No one let go. Wala akong loot. What is this maze? Hala! May person na bumabaril. Guys. Guys, wala pa ako. Guys. I'm in a gun game without a gun. Okay. Where? Kasi saan? Ow! What? Ang dami na naman. Saan na yun?
The safe zone is collapsing.
Okay, never mind. Bye.
Your airdrop is coming.
Tao yun. Wow, tapang. Saan?
Heads up, soldier. It's time for a fire sale.
Tingnan natin. Tapang ako, susugod ako dun. Ouch. Where?
Your airdrop is coming. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered.
Flowers. Where? Why can't I? The mountain. What? Should we go now? Thank you.
The airdrop is coming.
Where? Why? I'm dying. Galing naman nun.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I'm gonna oof.
Get some rest, soldier.
Eh, kalaban yun. Ano kalaban? Thank you, Johan, for the roses.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Alam mo yung bagong kanta ng Cat's Eye? I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Can you really? Like the emoji? I want you, I want you, I want you. Paano kung ganun yung next song ng Quadlips? Thoughts?
The airdrop is coming. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. The safe zone is collapsing.
Oh. Why did we leave? Oh, that's why.
The airdrop is coming.
Ano, I never gets what's happening. Ano yan? Hey, stop that. Whatever that is. Stop. What? Oh, sorry. Nasaan? Nasaan yung... Okay.
The airdrop is coming.
Ano 200k ba? 300k na? Yes. Yes. Ay, dito pala yung mic. Ano ba yan? Sa akin is Infinix Hot 60 Pro na silver. Wait lang, Lemona, can we swap? Lemona, I want your phone. Hello. Where? May tao dun, oh.
Enemy is near.
Tao sa likod.
The safe zone is
Ouch.
Airdrop is
Ouch.
coming.
Rude. Where?
Airdrop has been delivered.
Dito sa Lobata.
Enemy is near.
Dito? Over there. Should be out. Hirap naman. Taas. Nasa taas. Umakyat siya. Yeah, I'm satisfied for other gaming soft mid scrolling. Yes, I agree. I will also buy Coral Tides. First time ako mag non. No! Y'all will have Coral Tides and I'm stuck with silver. No. No.
Your teammate has scanned your dog tag. Wait for the revive flight.
In Phoenix. Stop tayo bago pa sa akin. Sa akin hindi na bago. Wag na. Ayan. I'm shy. Wala sa akin hindi mo. Hindi po. Hindi ako magaling guys. Nakabalik pa ako. May tao!
Buy station is currently unavailable.
Bruh. Bro! I just got here! What do you mean? Let me go! Let me live in peace! Please! No! I just got here!
Airdrop incoming. Airdrop has been delivered.
Panalo mo yan! Ang dami! Wow!
The safe zone is collapsing.
Kaya second hand ito. Nabali ng prices ko sila. Hindi tayo shit. Wag na. May gas-gas na siya dahil sa susi and everything. It's okay. At least yung Coral Tides dream phone. Diba?
Yo, ready for upgrade.
How is it so far, Lemona? More na next game. Oh, this is my last game though. Di ba pwede tanggalin yung back case na lang? I don't know if that's possible. Oh, nanalo pa. Oh no! Oh no. Sa squad na naman yan? Hindi, ang dami pa. Oh, ang dami! Scary.
Down, last five team.
Sorry na na-fan ko sa Infinite for watching your live. Oh, yes, I agree. Blue. Likod nila pa. Okay.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Getting close to victory.
Number 3. Nice one though. Okay. GG's guys. I'm gonna end. Okay. I'm gonna end the live na guys. Yes. Hindi na kaya mag-sticker. Call sleepy na. Baka hindi ako magising mamayang call time. Ate. Congrats. Wait lang. Abangan natin yung sub ni Moshblade. Maga call time, yes. Maga call time bukas. Only needs to rest. Saan may kita kung nag-subscribe? Thank you. Oh no! Okay. Ingat, ingat kung nasaan ka man. Namakpang live, excited na kami ka. Ako hindi. Ako hindi. Sige, kaya yan. 200k. Tapusin natin. 200k. Tap hearts. Tap hearts. Congrats sa sub. Hindi ko nakita. Ayun. Wala nga lumabas. Bakit ganun? Usually meron. Yung screen record ako niyan ka. No. Don't do this to me. Okay. Sige, tap hearts guys hanggang sa pag 200k and then I'll end the live na. Wala na, super fun na ata. Ay, ganun. Nag-update si TikTok. Yeah. Nagbago na talaga siya. Bawal na rin sabihin kung watch ko si Kram and yung isa pa. Oh, yes. Guys, keep streaming Love Letter. Para makapag-upload na ako ng pictures, guys. Hindi ko na sabihin kung ilan na or ilan pa dapat. Kasi alam nyo na yan. Hindi ko pwede sabihin kasi magagalit na naman si TikTok. Ibabad niya na naman ako. Ne. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for 200k hearts, 31 viewers left with me tonight and for your time with me. Thank you guys for supporting me. Ulit. You guys know the drill, yes. Thank you so much for supporting me sa lahat. Literally everything. I couldn't ask for anything else from you guys as my supporters. Thank you, Johan. Thank you, Johan, for the roses. Thank you. Okay, you guys know the drill. Yes, 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 yes. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good night. Naglalag siya. Oyasumi. Oyasumi nasai. Bye-bye. Okay. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow kung kakayanin pa ng energy natin. Okay? Most likely, yes. Magla-live bukas though. Bago ang Diabolical Live. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow sa ASAP. Bye-bye. I'm on